Hello, today I will explain to you the unboxing of our new microgreen kit which is called Sukshmankur. The Sukshmankur is a microgreen kit which has been developed by Breathing Roots, a company that is committed to bringing nature to you and also works for biodiversity and ecological conservation. So here is the kit that you have, and you can buy this kit for a nominal price. We have several options in this kit, and I will now explain to you what options you can have. So here is the kit, and I will now slightly zoom in on the kit so you can see how this kit is. We have the kit here. This kit has a label which gives you the contact details of Breathing Roots, and will also have another side label which tells you the date of sowing, the date of harvest, and the packing date for the individual seeds that would be given. This will be actually put in to the packets that are there. So when we open this here, you see a nice instruction on how to grow microgreens. It will also show you and tell you what you need to do when you grow these microgreens. The box contains number one, the seed packets. So each kit will have 7 seed packets which are standard and which are a part of the kit. It will contain a small clippers which will help you to harvest. It contains a small tissue paper that you would need to put and wet your seeds during the germination period. And finally, you would have a cute small bottle that will help you to spray water. So this gentle spray of water that you can see, it will have a good effect on the seeds. The main thing that you would have in this is the coir mat. This is a soilless media which is a coir mat and will help your seeds to grow well without dirtying them using the soil that you normally have. I would like to explain to you the details and the advantages why do you use Sukshmanko trial kits. The first thing is the seeds. These seeds have a wide variety. They have a customized choice from different pre-selected sets. So you can have flexible combinations for the trials and options to mix and match the seeds after you select the kit type. You also have the best combination and very high germination rates. These seeds are non-GMO, which mean genetically they are not modified and they are organic in nature. The grow mat, which is another good accessory to have, is a natural and a renewable source. It is 100% organic. There is a slow breakdown of the material, which means there is the uniform composition product will not shrink during the growing cycle. It's very lightweight and there is less shrinkage. It retains the physical properties longer than any other media. It has a very high water holding capacity, and at the same time it maintains the excellent drainage and aeration that is required. It has an acceptable pH and electrical conductivity and the ability to retain nutrients against the leaching. No pest, weeds, or diseases will be there because it is completely soil free, and it promotes a strong root growth which reduces the watering frequency without plant stress and also increases the shelf life of the plant. So, this is a really good thing to have when you want to grow microgreens. The second thing I want to explain to you is the container or the grow box. The grow box, as you can see, is made of a natural renewable source and can be used for at least 2 harvest cycles. There is no use of harmful plastic or moisture retaining due to porous material, and it is flexible to easily upgrade to larger permanent plastic trays after the trials. Okay, so you have the best thing that you can ever get, and the best part is you also can order the seeds separately, so that we have different types of seeds which you can order separately. You can also order separate trays that are here. These are separate trays, and you can also order the coir mats which we will sell in sets of 6 each, or you can also buy individual trays to grow your microgreens. These trays being biodegradable, they will also help you to maintain your commitment to having an excellent growth period. So, this is all that I would like to explain to you. So, just in summary, we have the box, which is the grow box, with the coir tray, the tissue paper, the seeds that you have, you can select from a wide variety. Then you have your clippers. Again, this is all optional and you can do as an add-on, and you have a nice cute bottle to water your trays. So in all, this is an excellent choice for growing your microgreens. Do let us know your feedback, and I and my team at Breathing Roots would be glad to answer it. Thank you.